A clue! A clue!
Oh, you see a clue? Where?
Right there!
Oh yeah, right there on these two colors, which are black and white. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebooks!
notebook, right? You know, and I'll use my white pastel for this first. Okay. Alright, let's scribble on some white down here, or over here actually. Then we can use our black crayon to scribble on some black over here. There, black and white. So, we're trying to figure out what farm animal Blue wants to see, and our first clue is black and white. So, what kind of farm animal is black and white that Blue wants to see? You know, we should look for 2 more clues. Come on.
A clue! A clue!
Yeah, it is a nice day outside. It's actually pretty good today.
No, a clue!
Oh, wait. You see a clue? Where? Where's our second clue?
There!
Oh, there it is. Right there on the grass. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebooks!
notebook. Right. Okay. Grass. You know, for the grass, I think I'll use my green crayon. Alright. Grass. Let's draw some zigzaggy lines like this for the blades of grass. There. Grass. So, we're trying to figure out what farm animal Blue wants to see. And our first clue was
Black and white!
black and white. Right. Now our second clue is grass. So, what kind of farm animal does Blue want to see that's black and white and grass? Oh, nice ideas, but I think we should look for our last clue just to be sure. The mail's here. Come on. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail! Come on. Hey, Blue just skidooed into the picture of that farm. Let's go too. Blue skidoo, we can too. Wow, the farm. What a good place to visit. Let's go look around. Hey, thank you so much for all your help helping out in the farm. You're a good helper. What's that sound?
A clue! A clue!
Huh, what's this radio doing over here behind the bar?
A clue! Right there!
It's probably for some music or something, but I'm wondering what that sound is.
Look, there's a clue!
Oh wait, it's a clue? Wait, where's the clue?
Right there!
Oh, there it is, right there on that sound. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook, right. Okay, our third clue is this sound. Let's draw some curved lines like this to help us remember this sound. And there, this sound. We have all 3 clues. Oh, we have all 3 clues. You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our
Thinking chair!
thinking chair, right. Come on.